Wanted to give you a quick preview of a new app that I'm finding very interesting and helpful called Notion. I found this the other day and have been a little bit obsessed on how I can use this to organize some projects in my life as well as side projects and work projects. So I wanted to show you how I'm using the simple notebook feature of Notion. I just ended up installing a template for the Life Wiki, and part of that is the simple notebook, and it lets you organize by different notes as if you were in a notebook that may have separate pages, though you can use different embedded web pages. So I am redoing my home office and wanted to start this list to help me with that, and wanted to show you how I decided to use it. It does let you assign if you're in a team, assign who created it, tag it to different tags depending on what that may be used for, and then add checklists. I'm a big fan of checking off checklists, and then actually some embedded pages as well as a table for a budget here. The feature I like about the simple notebook are these embedded pages. For example, picking out paint colors, I created this separate page just to kind of throw different paint colors I was finding online onto a web page I could reference later. And so as you can see, just kind of taking some notes here for paint colors. And then also something like standing desks. What am I seeing? And logging that in my budget tracker here. Like I said, just wanted to show you one of the features of Notion. I might have a few more videos coming up with different features, but definitely something to check out. Great, thank you.